Hello everyone, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nisrina Salma Kholda with student ID number 857-994-689. Today, I'm going to present my material about business correspondence, request letter, and complaint letter. I will explain the definition, purpose, structure, examples, and difference between these two types of letters. Let's start. Before we go deeper, let's look our learning objective today. These are 5 main goals in these materials. First, we will understand the definition, purpose, and function of request letter and complaint letter. Second, we will identify the structure and standard parts of each letter. Third, we will discuss the difference in tone, content, and purpose between them. Fourth, we will learn how to compose, correct, and appropriate letter following business wording rules. And 5, we will learn to prepare formal expressions, vocabulary, and professional language style. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Now, let us begin with the basic concept. What is business correspondence? Business correspondence is any form of written communication used between individuals, companies, or organizations. We use it to exchange information, conduct transactions, or maintain professional relationships. Why is this important? It has 4 main functions. It serves as valid office and legal evidence. It adds a formal record or document for future reference. It helps to build and maintain good business relationship, and it becomes the basis for agreements, action, or decisions. In this material, we will focus basically on 2 important types. First is request letter, also called letter of inquiry. Second is complaint letter, or sometimes called claim letter. Let us learn the first one. Okay, now we enter part 1, request letter. What is a request letter? Simply, it is a formal document written by someone or an organization and sent to other party to ask for something. We write this letter to seek information, to request assistance, or to ask for service, products, catalogs, or leads. We are the main purpose. We read this letter to 1. Ask for information about products, price, or service. 2. Request catalogs, brochures, or press lists. 3. Ask of price quotation of special offers. 4. Request permission, approval, or cooperation, or to order goods from me. Where is characteristic? Tone. The tone must be polite, respectful, clear and friendly. The language is formal but simple and direct, and the content must clearly state what we need and why we need it, so there is no misunderstanding. Common expression we use, sir. Everything to ask about, we would like to request, or could you please send us? Now let's look at a standard structure and request letter. It has 8 main parts. 1. Letterhead or sender details, content names, address, phone, and email of the sender company. 2. Date, the date when we read and send the letter. 3. Incident address, complete name, letter, and address of the recipients. 4. Solution, greeting for expert, dear sir or madam. 5. Subject line, short letter to tell what the letter is about. Example, request for price list. And 6. Body of letter. This is the most important part. In paragraph 1, we introduce ourselves and state clearly the purpose or reading. In paragraph 2, we give detail what we need, specification or question. Paragraph 3, we express appreciation and hope for a quick reply. 7. Closing, we use your faithfully if we do not know the name, or your sincerely if we know the name of the person. In 8. Signature and full name. This structure applies to almost a formal business letter. To make it clearer, here is a real example of a request letter. Imagine we are from PT Maju Jaya Berkarya and we were to PT Sumber Baru Supplier. The subject is request for catalog and price list. In the paragraph, we introduce our company and explain that we are looking for new suppliers. Would like to kindly request you to send your letter complete product catalog and update its list. We also ask about detail like discount and delivery terms. In the last paragraph, we say thank you and show our intent to both cooperation. This is a complete and correct example of a formal request letter. Okay, now let us move to part 2, complaint letter. What is complaint letter? It is formal letter sent to person, organization to express dissatisfaction of disappointment. We read this when we are not satisfied in a product, service, or transaction, and we want to ask for a solution or responsibility. We are the purpose. 1. To report a problem, error, defects, or mistake. 2. To express dissatisfaction in a proportional way. 3. To claim for responsibility and compensation. And 4. To request solution such as replacement, reply, or refund. Number 5. And to make sure the some mistake will not happen again in the future. What are the characteristics? The tone here is different. It must be firm, objective, calm, and polite. Remember, we must not be angry, rude, or aggressive in formal letters. The content must be based on facts and evidence, not just feeling. And we must clearly state what solution we want. Common expression. I'm writing to express my dissatisfaction. We regret to inform you that, or we expect a solution regularly. Slide 8. A structure of complaint letter. The structure of complaint letter is actually similar to request letter, but the content is different. It also has letterhead, date, recipient, solution, and subject. But look at the body of letter. Paragraph 1. We want the reference, or the number, date, and what we refer or back. Paragraph 2. We explain clearly what the problem is. We describe the damage, to mistake, or the poor service, and explain how it causes inconvenience or loss to us. These parts must as first and detail. Paragraph 3. This is very important. State clearly what action or solution we want. Do we want replacement, reform, or apology? We also can give a time limit. Paragraph 4. Express hope for quick action and good cooperation in the future. Then we close with signature and name. Slide number 9. Example comment letter. Here is the example. We resolve it on the number, but we found two serious problems. First, the paper box were wet and damaged. Second, we ordered type I premium paper, but we received type B standard paper, which is wrong. Then we explain that it causes delays and problem for our works. And finally, we make our demand. We formally request you to replace all demands and encourage item immediately within 3 working days at your own expense. This is a good complaint letter because it is clear, factual, firm, but still polite and professional. Difference between request and complaint letter. Now, let us summarize the difference between request letter and complaint letter using this table. Main goals. Request letter to ask for information, goods, or cooperation. A complaint letter to report problems and ask for solution. Tone. Request very polite, soft, and respectful. And complaint firm and serious, but still professional. Content a request about our needs and what we want. Complaint about facts, mistakes, demands, and our demand. Expectation. Request, we hope to get what we ask for. and complain, we hope to get responsibility and correction. Even though they are different, both are very important in business. Tips for writing effective letters. Before we end, here are some important tips for you when writing this letter. For request letter, be specific and clear. Explain exactly what you need. Always use polite expressions. Give complete detail so they can reply easily. Always thank them for their time and help. For complaint letter, think to first. Do not use emotion, rude, or offensive words. Include evidence or number, date, photos, or reference. Explain how the problem affects you. Clearly mention what you want them to do. Keep it professional. Do not attack the person, but the problem. If you follow the tips, your letter will be effective. Now let us move to exercise or practice. There are two tasks here. Task 1. Read a request letter. You are the manager of a bookstore. Read a letter to PT Grammar Publisher to request their newest book catalog and complete price list. Explain that you want to order books regularly and hope for a special discount. Task 2. Read a complaint letter. You order 20 office chairs from a supplier. When delivered, you found only 50 chairs delivered and 3 chairs are broken. Read a complaint letter, mention the order number. Explain the problem and ask for immediate replacement. This exercise will help you practice what we have learned. Let's all do the last part. Conclusion. A request letter, professional tool to ask and get what you need, must be clear, polite, and respectful. Complaint letter, a formal way to explain problems and demand solution, must be factual, firm, calm, and professional. But letters are essential in business because they service official records, bullet stars, and maintain relationship. And always remember, good greeting characters clear communication. Clear communication characters successful business. Finally, we have reached the end of my presentation. I would like to say thank you so much. If there are any mistakes or wrong words during my presentation, I'm really sorry. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.